InfraWorks helps reduce overall design time with automated analysis and design tools. Site distance analysis provides instant visual feedback for road geometry, and traffic simulation provides the ability to iterate quickly on design options, improving the overall design quality. Large-scale people movements within vehicles or on foot, across cities or within structures, can be assessed quickly with mobility simulation. Watershed analysis and drainage design provide for the assessment of ground conditions, identification of culvert requirements and for the subsequent culvert design, and automatic drainage run placement. Road profile and alignment optimization tools greatly reduce design time by providing methods to automatically determine the optimum route for an alignment and how best to arrange the vertical profile, including the provision of earthworks hauling schemes. For early-stage bridge structures, the analysis and design for various types of structural bridge girders can be carried out automatically, providing the ability to carry out many iterations in a short space of time, greatly assisting in the feasibility process.